Hey folks, welcome to Blogging Good Food. Today, we are diving into the world of delicious and healthy salad dressings. If you are looking for salad dressing recipes that are not only tasty but also good for you, you have come to the right place. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a short intro to healthy salad dressings. First up, let's talk about the essentials for making the perfect salad dressing. The quality of your ingredients matters. Fresh herbs, olive oil, and vinegar are key players. Now, let's explore some classic homemade salad dressings that you can easily whip up in your kitchen. A classic balsamic vinaigrette adds a tangy kick to your salads. Creamy ranch dressing is a crowd pleasure, perfect for dipping or drizzling. Ready for some unique and flavorful salad dressing ideas? Let's explore. Try our honey mustard dressing for a sweet and tangy twist. Elevate your salad with an Asian-inspired sesame fusion dressing. Don't forget about pasta salads. Here's a special section just for them. Our zesty Italian dressing will make your pasta salad shine. Creamy pesto dressing brings a burst of flavor to your pasta creations. And there you have it, our top picks for healthy salad dressings that will make your taste bud dance. For the full recipes and more food inspiration, head over to our website at blogginggoodfood.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mouth-watering content. Thanks for joining us today, and we will see you next time on Blogging Good Food.